The FEMEROL 4-in-1 110-volt welder is a versatile tool that supports multiple welding processes, including gas and gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it suitable for a variety of materials such as stainless steel and carbon steel. With intelligent synergic control, this welder automatically matches voltage and wire feed speed, offering fine adjustments for both beginners and experienced users. Weighing just 11.7 pounds, this welder is designed for portability and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for outdoor projects. Safety is a priority with this welder, as it includes automatic protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, ensuring a secure operation. The package is comprehensive, including everything needed to start welding immediately, such as a MIG torch, earth clamp, and flux cord wire. FEMEROL offers a 2-year guarantee on this welding machine, providing peace of mind with any potential issues that may arise during this period.